Logic and knowledge representation are closely intertwined in artificial intelligence, as logic provides a formal framework for representing and reasoning about knowledge. Here's how they relate. 1. Logic as a formal language. Logic provides a precise and formal language for expressing knowledge in a structured way. Propositional logic and predicate logic are commonly used in AI for representing knowledge about the world. In propositional logic, knowledge is represented using propositions, statements that are either true or false, and logical connectives, such as and, or, and not. Predicate logic extends propositional logic by introducing variables, predicates, and quantifiers to represent more complex relationships and properties. 2. Knowledge representation. Knowledge representation involves encoding knowledge about the world in a form that can be processed by AI systems. Logic-based representations provide a way to capture relationships, constraints, and rules in a declarative manner. For example, knowledge about a domain can be represented using logical sentences or rules, which can then be reasoned with to derive new conclusions or make decisions. 3. Inference and reasoning. Logic-based inference techniques allow AI systems to derive new knowledge from existing knowledge using logical rules of inference. This process involves applying deduction, drawing conclusions from premises, induction, generalizing from specific observations, and abduction, inferring the best explanation for observed phenomena. Logical reasoning enables AI systems to make inferences, solve problems, and answer queries based on the knowledge encoded in logic-based representations. 4. Semantic interpretation. Logic provides a formal semantics for interpreting logical statements and reasoning processes. It defines the meaning of logical symbols and formulas, as well as the rules for deriving valid conclusions. Semantic interpretation ensures that logical reasoning is sound and reliable, allowing AI systems to make correct inferences based on the encoded knowledge. 5. Ontologies and knowledge graphs. Logic-based representations are often used in conjunction with ontologies and knowledge graphs to organize and structure knowledge in a hierarchical and interconnected manner. Ontologies define classes, properties, and relationships within a domain, while knowledge graphs represent entities and their relationships using graph structures. Logic-based languages such as OWL, Web Ontology Language, and RDF, Resource Description Framework, are commonly used for defining ontologies and knowledge graphs. Overall, logic and knowledge representation form the foundation of many AI techniques and systems, providing a formal and principled approach to representing, reasoning, and processing knowledge about the world.